Spend a few minutes learning how to make this cute strawberry cake earphone case. The cream on top opens up to perfectly hold your earphones. Get ready with the materials above. First, take the main color yarn, and start with 12 chain stitches for round 1. Next, work 10 single crochets along the half side. Make 3 single crochets into the last stitch. Correspondingly work 9 single crochets on the other side. Carry the second strand along and crochet together. Make 1 single crochet increase in the last stitch. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch at the beginning. At the start of round 2, make 1 single crochet increase group. Next, work 9 single crochets. At the corner, make 3 single crochet increases. Correspondingly work 9 single crochets on the other side. Make 2 single crochet increases in the last 2 stitches. Join with a slip stitch at the beginning. For round 3, start with 3 chain stitches, pick up the front loop near the palm and work. Work 30 double crochets evenly around. Complete 1 full round by yourself. For round 4, start with 3 chain stitches, not counted as a stitch, go back to the beginning and make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, pick up the outer strand. Work a front post double crochet. The pattern is 1 double crochet followed by 1 front post double crochet. Repeat the same pattern as the previous round. Rounds 5 to 9 follow the same technique as round 4. Make a double crochet in each double crochet from the previous round. Make a front post double crochet where there was a front post double crochet in the previous round. Repeat this pattern until round 9. Join with a slip stitch in the stitch after the beginning chain. Don't cut the yarn, continue to make 60 chain stitches as a drawstring. Join with a slip stitch on the opposite side, lock 1 stitch and cut the yarn. This completes the main part. Switch to color for crocheting the top cream. Round 1, make a magic ring, and chain 3 to start. Work 14 double crochets into the ring. Pull tight the loop and join with a slip stitch. Round 2, work 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 group of DC 2 in 1, repeat 1 DC and 1 DC 2 in 1 for a total of 7 groups. Round 3, work even with 21 double crochets. Round 4, work 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, work 1 group of DC2 in 1. Repeat the above steps for a total of 7 groups. Round 5, start working front loop half stitches. Pick up the front loop, work 3 double crochets. In the next stitch, work 1 DC2 in 1. Repeat this step for a total of 7 groups. Round 6, work 4 double crochets first. Work 1 group of DC2 in 1. Complete 7 groups with the above operations. Round 7, work even with 42 double crochets. All stitches are worked on the front loop side. Round 8, work 1 round of 42 single crochets. Complete the round with a slip stitch, chain 1, and fasten off the yarn. Work the cream lace trim on the half stitches from rounds 5 to 8. Start with a slip stitch position, chain 3. Work 3 double crochets in each half stitch around the round. In the next stitch, work another 3 double crochets. Repeat this pattern to complete the round. For the following rounds, simply join with a slip stitch, and repeat the same steps to finish the remaining rounds. Thread the string through the middle position of the cream section. Switch color and work the strawberry according to the pattern chart. Do not stuff or close yet. Take green yarn, work the strawberry, chain 4 to start. Work 1 single crochet in the second stitch. Work 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Work 1 double crochet in the following stitch. Slip stitch. This forms one group. Repeat this crochet method 3 to 4 more times, complete with a slip stitch, chain 1, and cut the yarn. Thread the leaves through. Then thread the strawberry through. Stuff with appropriate fiber fill and fasten off the yarn to close. This super cute cream cake earphone case is done. If you like it, start making your own now.